Okay, Sarah, I'm trying to record this again, so you might have two videos. We'll see if this records, okay? Example 3. These guys are the angle bisectors. So if you look at this little box here, they've taken this angle and they split it in half. What do we call the angle bisector? What is his name for this diagram? What's the angle bisector?
Orthocenter. What?
BDF.
BF is
DBF.
the angle. Nope.
What?
BF is the angle bisector. Okay? Do you see that? BF is this guy right here. BF is that segment. Okay? And he is bisecting what angle?
DBE.
DBE. Do you see that? DBE is the overall full angle, and
you guys
BF
know
is bisecting that.
That the owner of Google owns a whole canyon in Utah. And I saw it, and he has like a mansion and a pool. And
Does he
tennis
have
court.
little? Does
And
he
he
have
Alright,
rings
cool.
of colors like the yellow?
Done? Go down to the diagram right here. X, Y. Okay, let's talk about this guy here. 4-part A.
Is he from Home Alone?
Guys, let's go so we can get done. Okay, which one is the bisector? XZ. XZ is bisecting. It doesn't matter.
Is bisect.
What angle? It's bisecting what angle?
WZY.
WZY or YZW, it doesn't matter what order you put them in. So WZY. XZ is this guy, and he's bisecting that overall angle. We are trying to find the length of XY, which is this guy right here.
Is what guy?
We're trying to find the length of XY.
So you have to take one. Yeah.
It's 7, right? If the other side is 7, that guy's 7, right? Does that make sense? If it's bisecting, it's got to be the same, right? Okay? All right, which one is the angle bisector?
The angle is
KL is bisecting.
JKM.
Angle JKM. Yeah? Do you see that? KL is this guy. He's bisecting this angle. Okay? They want to know the angle JKL. What is JKL?
37.
JKL is this top guy right here, right?
Yeah.
And he's got to be 37.
Yeah, but he looks
Okay.
smaller.
I don't know. But we know that he's the angle bisector because these guys are the same, right? Okay? Yeah. Sometimes their diagrams aren't very good. What's the angle bisector here?
J.
JS
Oh, what?
is bisecting. What angle? MJP. MJP is the overall angle. JS is this guy right here. Okay? And they were wanting us to find SP, which is this side right here. Which is 6x minus 7.
You have to set it equal.
You have to set them equal to each other. 3x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 7. Only because they are bisecting the angle, right?
Plus 7 minus 3 minus 3.
Minus 3x plus 7.
12 equals 3.
12
X
equals
equals
3x.
4.
X equals 4, but that's not the answer.
Um,
They want SP.
12 plus
What's
5 is 17.
24 minus 7, 17. That was really fast.
What was your big brain?
We plugged it into the bottom one because we're trying to find SP. SP is this guy right here, so we plugged it in there. Now, if we would have plugged it into the top, we should have also gotten 17, right? Because they're both the same, so it doesn't really matter. Okay? Good?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? One more thing. Example 4 on the back side. The very, very, very back page. This is where you're going to get confused. Okay, you ready? What the heck?
That's where we're gonna get
Okay.
confused.
All right. This is the very, very back side. Very, very back side. Go to it. Okay?
No, you.
This middle dot in the center, it tells us that he is the what?
Centromere.
Centro.
No,
In center.
He is the in-center. Okay, when you make the in-center, what is bisected? The sides or the angles?
Angles.
The angles are going to be the same, okay? So take a look at these angles. This angle is 32. So what else do I know?
B
That was 32.
This one's also 32, right? Okay, let's not answer the questions yet, okay? That one's 32, that one's 32. This one's 34. This one's also going to be 34, right? Okay, but then it doesn't have these two labeled. Crap, how do I find those?
32 times 2 plus 34 times 2 and then
Okay,
that answer
so
minus
here's what
48.
Kelsey's doing. This overall triangle, okay? Take a look at that overall
180
triangle.
degrees.
What I have going on here is 180 degrees, the whole thing, right? 34 and 34 is 68, is what this guy is, right? That's
It's
34 and 34.
Divide
32
by
and 32 is 64, yeah?
They're each 24 degrees.
Okay, do you see what I just did?
Yep.
Okay, 68 and 64, you said this one is what? Total?
48.
48?
Yeah.
You see that?
Wait, okay, hold on.
All of them have to add up to be 180.
What did you added 68 plus 64?
Okay, so 34 and 34 together make
Right.
68, right? I'm just getting rid of the lines in the middle. 32 and 32 is 64. You add those two together and subtract that from 180, and they said it was 48. So, what is each one of these bottom guys down here?
24.
Each one of these is going to be 24. Do you see that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. Okay. So, let's go. That helps us answer part B, which says JAC.
Where's that? Where's
Jack.
J?
JAC. Where's J? J is the middle guy.
24.
JAC. Okay, do you see my one in purple?
24.
JAC is this guy right here. So we're talking about
Yeah,
this angle
24.
on the right. That's 24. Okay, so part B is 24 degrees. Yes? Do we see that? Okay, now let's go up and let's talk about part A, which says JF.
Where's that? Oh.
JF is this guy right here.
90 degrees.
No, it's a
We want to know the length of that, right? We want to know the length of that.
Well, how
Okay?
the heck are we supposed to know?
All right, now here's the tricky
12.
part. Okay, watch.
It's
Watch.
6.
You ready? Watch this.
Is EA
This
12?
triangle right here. This triangle right here that I've outlined in purple. He is a 90-degree angle, yeah? He's a right triangle. This side right here is 15. What's this side right here?
12.
That side's 12. How do I
How do
find
you know
this
that?
side?
Because EA is 12.
Okay, he has to be the same on both sides because we bisected the angle, right? Okay? So I have a
AX
triangle that
plus
looks like
BX
this.
equals C, or A squared plus B squared equals C
Yep,
squared.
so I have 15, I have a 12, and I have a question mark is what I don't know, right? Okay, does,
So,
does
X squared
15,
plus B squared
that's a
equals
good
C
question.
squared. I already
Ashton
said
said,
that,
is 15 C? Does 15 have to be C?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it does, yes. Okay, so let's call my question mark, we'll call him A. A squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. A squared plus 12 squared is
144.
144, 15 squared?
225.
225. Did you do that in your head?
Yep.
But you did it like by hand.
I
Nice.
knew that.
Minus 144. Okay. A squared is equal to 1. No, 81.
Yeah, 81.
Okay, so what's A?
9.
A equals
A is 9. Do you see that? So use your paper is going to get kind of cluttered sometimes. So I have the luxury of being able to erase things. But if you need to redraw stuff like I did over here, go ahead and do that. This guy's 9. JF is 9. Okay, good. Happy with that?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Your homework assignment will look like this guy.
Oh, no, thank you.
Oh no, thank you. Okay. Here is your task. Ready? You're gonna do all on this side,
I'm ready
Hey,
to
can
go.
we have it?
and you're gonna do evens on the other side.
You didn't tell Sarah that.
I did. I wrote it on our paper.
She was just keeping
Okay.
it a secret.
So, all in evens. I'll put that up there. Can you see that? Practice is all. Skills practice is evens. Okay.
Back when life was so
I'm kind of chill.
simple.
I know, right? It's cold in here.
And it's pretty
Kind of
chill.
chilly.
My room was like not as cold as it usually is.
I spilled my water on myself last night again,
My
and it
room
was
was
cold.
toast this morning.
Your jug?
Yeah, it was cold.
I keep both of these in my bed.